many think of NSE as a place where shares are bought and sold. At a basic level, can you tell me and our viewers, what is it that the NSE actually does?
In a fundamental sense, the markets are quite important to any economy, and markets are of various types. Be that for vegetables, be that for real estates, be that for stocks, money, and so on and so forth. And in some ways, the purpose of markets is to do price signaling of any assets or any commodity in the society. But it is achieved by way of transactions. So what you see as transactions, that is buy and sell, is actually a very interesting process that how a society forms prices. And one of the modern economies, what I call conundrum, is the asset prices, that the long-term assets, how do you price? Because the society is interested in that long-term assets, and capital markets are the longest term assets there is. So which companies are coming up, which kind of industries are coming up, and where the resource allocation should go of the society.
So that mapping savings is done by.
And so we don't do any mapping. We just provide the basically a framework. But once you understand the fundamental process, that our job, the main job is to give you price signaling, but it's achieved via a transaction processing. And transaction processing is one side. On the assets itself, you require a lot of information. So especially for stocks, so we collect information from the companies and give you on quarterly basis, on material impact basis, on instant and stuff like that. So it's a complex process, but it's basically very important because today 1/3 of India's asset of any type put together is now represented by NSE, $5.2 trillion. And that's
globally, where would you stand then?
We are now fourth largest after US, China and Japan.
Okay.
We are the fourth largest economy in the world, and we are the fourth largest stock markets also in the world. At the same time, there is an economic theory which says that the poor or low per capita income countries cannot have a well-functioning stock market. Why? Because poor people don't save. And if they save, they don't trust even their brothers. How will they invest in companies sitting 2,000 and 3,000 kilometers away? But India is an exception.
It's overturned that notion.
Right? And so those theories are theories because exception is India. And that's where now 12.7 crore Indians, unique Indians, we have 25 crore accounts. 12.7 crore Indians put their hard-earned money into stocks of various types. We have more than 2,900 stocks to basically ensure that those stocks make money, and of course they give information, right? And if they make more money, then their stock prices go up and their wealth increase. So it's a very involved process, but it's now pretty much covering almost 25% of all Indian households. And that's a very large number. Earlier, stock markets were considered
only for the rich to play.
Only for the rich. But today, out of 12.7 crore unique Indians, 25% are women, which is a large number. And that has happened post-COVID. Before COVID, I think we were running at like 2.5 crore unique
It was considered
investors.
A men's bastion?
Broadly, men's and rich men's.
Rich men.
Right? And that is the mindset today, even after this data, because it has not been well discussed, well debated. So even now, policymakers, media, general people still think it's basically rich men's playground. But I'll tell you, even when Mr. Modi took over in 2014, the total number of investors we had was 1.67 crore total number. The market capitalization was 67 lakh crore.
Okay.
Today, the number of people working through us, investing through us is now 12.7 crore. So 1.67 to 12.7 crore, right? Almost 7-8 times jump.
Mind-boggling.
And the market cap, which was 67 lakh crore, is now 470 lakh crore. So again, 6-7 times, right? So it's telling you that the middle class, because you invest in stocks only when you have some money, some savings in land, in gold, in fixed deposits, then only
after
you come
doing
to stock
all
market.
that, then you next go
You
there.
come to stock market. So India has become middle class in last 11 years of Mr. Modi's tenure. And that's why more and more people are also trying to invest in stocks.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा।
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है।
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब।
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप।
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI, it does not lie.